Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to show archived projects in Asana. If you've been managing multiple projects and need to access or restore one that's been archived, this quick guide will walk you through finding and viewing those hidden projects with ease. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to click on Projects in the left sidebar of your Asana workspace. This is your main navigation hub for accessing all the projects you're involved with, whether they're active, completed, or archived. Clicking this option opens up your project overview, giving you a comprehensive view of everything you're working on. Once you're in the Browse Projects section, you'll initially see all your active projects displayed. This is the default view that Asana shows you, keeping your current work front and center. However, archive projects aren't visible here by default, so we need to adjust our view to include them. Next, look for the status filter at the top of your projects list. This drop-down menu is crucial for controlling which projects appear in your view. Click on Status to reveal the filtering options available to you. This feature allows you to sort and display projects based on their current state, whether they're active, on hold, at risk, or archived. From the status menu that appears, select Archived. This action immediately filters your project list to show only those projects that have been archived. It's a simple but powerful way to declutter your workspace while still maintaining access to completed or paused projects whenever you need them. You'll now see a complete list of all archived projects associated with your account. To view the details of any archived project, simply click on the project's name from this filtered list. This opens the project in full view, allowing you to review all the tasks, conversations, and files associated with it. Even though the project is archived, you still have complete access to all its contents. If you need to bring an archived project back into your active workspace, click the Restore button located in the top right corner of the project view. This action immediately moves the project back to your active projects list, making it fully functional again for you and your team members to continue working on. And there you have it, a straightforward way to locate and manage your archived projects in Asana. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.